Velocity of electrons is 2500 km per second. Find the stopping potential. So from velocity we have to find kinetic energy, and that kinetic energy should be in EV. So after finding kinetic energy in EV, we can find stopping potential. Velocity equal to 2500 km per second. 2.5 10 power 3. Kilo is 10 power 3 meter per second, which is 2.5 10 power 6 meter per second. Kinetic energy is half mv square. Half, this is electron, therefore mass of electron 9.1 10 power minus 31 into velocity square 2.5 10 power 6 square equal to 28.44 10 power minus 19 joule. This is kinetic energy. But we want kinetic energy in EV. 2.8 28.44 10 power minus 19 by 1.6 10 power minus 19. 10 power minus 19, 10 power minus 19 get cancels. So this is 17.8 electron volt kinetic energy. Implies if kinetic energy is 17.8 EV, then stopping potential is 7.8 volt. Please take care of the unit. 17.8 volt. Stopping potential of photoelectrons is 3 volt. Find the corresponding velocity of photoelectrons. So stopping potential equal to 3 volt implies kinetic energy equal to 3 EV. So kinetic energy in joule, 3 into 1.6 10 power minus 19, 4.8 10 power minus 19 joule. We should find velocity, but kinetic energy equal to half mv square, or v equal to root of 2 times kinetic energy, 2 times kinetic energy by mass. Root of 2 times kinetic energy is, kinetic energy should be in joule, okay? 4.8 10 power minus 19 by mass. Since it is electron, 9.1 10 power minus 31 equal to root of 1.055 10 to the power of 12. You take square root only if this is even number, okay? 12 is even, therefore square root of 1.055 is 1.027 10 power 6 meter per second. This is velocity. So what is the idea means? From volt find out kinetic energy in EV, but this is not SI unit. So convert energy from EV to joule. From that kinetic energy find out velocity. Wavelength of light is 350 nanometer. Calculate frequency. So wavelength is given 350 nanometer, which is equal to 3.5 10 power minus 7 meter. Am I right? 350 is 3.5 10 power 2, nano is 10 power minus 9. So it is 3.5 10 power minus 7 meter. So A, frequency is C by lambda. 3 10 power 8 by lambda is 3.5 10 power minus 7 equal to 0.857 10 power 15 hertz. Please use calculator. Simplify. B, energy of a photon. Energy of a photon is h into nu. 6.625 10 power minus 34 Planck's constant into frequency 0.857 10 power 15. So product of these two gives 5.678 10 power minus 19 joule. This is energy. Momentum of a photon. Next is momentum. mc square is energy, h nu is momentum. H nu is energy. But m into c is momentum, mass into velocity. So it is h nu by c. So to find momentum, momentum P equal to h nu by c. H nu is energy. That energy is 5.678 10 power minus 19 by speed of light in vacuum 3 10 power 8. So this ratio gives 1.89 10 power minus 19. 8 goes to numerator, minus 19 minus 8 is minus 27. Since it is momentum, kg meter per second. D, mass. Again in this equation, mass equal to h nu by c square. H nu by c square. So mass m equal to h nu by c square. H nu is energy, 5.678 10 power minus 19 by c square, 3 10 power 8 square. 5.678 by 3 square is 9. This ratio is 0.631 10 power minus 19 8 square is 16 minus 16. So it is minus 35 kg. This is mass m. Frequency of radiation is 2.5 10 power 15 hertz. Frequency is 2.5 10 power 15 hertz. Calculate wavelength. Wavelength is lambda c by nu. 3 10 power 8 speed of light in vacuum, 2.5 10 power 15. 3 by 2.5 1.2 10 power minus 7 meter. Next, energy of a photon. So energy of a photon is h nu. You can also use E equal to hc by lambda. Okay, h nu 6.625 10 power minus 34 into frequency is 2.5 10 power 15 equal to 16.56 10 power minus 19 joule. This is energy of a photon. C. Momentum and mass. So momentum is h nu by c. H nu is 16.56 10 power minus 19 by speed of light in vacuum 3 10 power 8. So it is 5.52 10 power minus 27 kg meter per second momentum. D. Mass. Mass of a photon is h nu by c square. H nu is 16.56 10 power minus 19 by c square is 3 10 power 8 square. So mass is 1.84 10 power minus 35 kg. Velocity of an electron is 2100 km per second. Find its de Broglie wavelength, momentum and kinetic energy. Velocity is 2100 km per second is 2.1 10 power 6 meter per second. So there is 10 power 3 here, one more 10 power 3 gives 10 power 6. Therefore, de Broglie wavelength is h by mv 6.625 minus 34. Mass of an electron 9.1 10 power minus 31. Speed is 2.1 10 power 6. So wavelength is 0.347 into 10 to the power of minus 9 meter. Momentum. Momentum P equal to mass into velocity. Mass is 9.1 10 power minus 31. This is for an electron because it is an electron. Velocity is 2.1 10 power minus plus 6. Product of these two 19.11 10 power minus 25 kg meter per second. Now kinetic energy. Kinetic energy equal to half ma square. Half mass is 9.1 10 power minus 31 into v square 2.1 10 power minus plus 6 square equal to 20.1 10 power, this is 6 square is 12 minus 31 plus 12 is minus 19 joule. Accelerating potential for electrons is 400 volt. Calculate de Broglie wavelength and momentum. This is for electron. De Broglie wavelength is given by h by root of 2m charge potential difference. Accelerating potential. But for an electron, this is simplified to 1.227 10 power minus 9 by root of v. This equation is only for electron equal to 1.227 10 power minus 9 by root of 400. Root of 400 is 20. 1.227 equal to this by this 0.6135 10 power minus 9 minus 1 is minus 10 meter. This is wavelength. de Broglie wavelength and momentum. Consider lambda equal to h by p, or p equal to h by lambda. H is 6.625 10 power minus 34 by lambda is de Broglie wavelength, which is 0.6135 10 power minus 10. This ratio is 10.8 10 power minus 24. Since it is momentum, unit is kg meter per second. Calculate the ratio of de Broglie wavelength of electron to proton, which are traveling with same speed. You should observe this. So consider de Broglie equation which has velocity term or speed term. So it is h by mv. So de Broglie wavelength is proportional to 1 by mass. Speed is constant. H is already a constant. Therefore, lambda is inversely proportional to mass. Therefore, lambda electron by lambda proton, wavelength of electron by wavelength of proton, equal to 1 by mass. 1 by, if this is electron, mass of electron, proton, mass of proton. This goes to numerator, mass of proton by mass of electron. Mass of proton is about 2000 times mass of electron. So we can write 2000 times mass of electron by mass of electron. So it is 2000. So lambda electron by lambda proton. Wavelength of electron to wavelength of proton is 2 × 10 power 3. Since this is a ratio, there is no unit. Calculate the ratio of de Broglie wavelength of electron to proton, which are traveling with same kinetic energy. So consider de Broglie equation having kinetic energy. So lambda equal to h by root of 2me. Kinetic energy is constant, h is already a constant, 2 is constant. Therefore lambda is proportional to 1 by root of m. Therefore wavelength, de Broglie wavelength of electron by de Broglie wavelength of proton equal to 1 by root m. 1 by root mass of electron, 1 by root mass of proton. This goes to numerator, mass of proton by mass of electron under root. But mass of proton is about 2000 times mass of electron. This is given. So root of 2000 times mass of electron by mass of electron. So root of 2000 means 2000 can be written as 400 into 5. So it is 20 root 5. Lambda, de Broglie wavelength of electron by de Broglie wavelength of proton. Calculate the ratio of de Broglie wavelength of electron to proton, which are accelerated by same potential difference. So consider de Broglie equation with accelerating potential. So it is h by root of 2mq into v, where v is accelerating potential. For electron and proton, charge is constant, 2 is constant, h is constant. Therefore lambda is proportional to 1 by root m, because they are accelerated by same potential difference, means even v is also constant. So the only variable is mass. Therefore de Broglie wavelength of electron by de Broglie wavelength of proton equal to 1 by root of mass of electron, 1 by root of mass of proton. So it is root of mass of proton by mass of electron. Mass of proton is 2000 times that of mass of electron by, so these two get cancels. Root of 2000 is 20 root 5. So this is lambda electron by lambda proton. De Broglie wavelength of electron is 0.1 angstrom. What is the speed and kinetic energy of electrons? De Broglie wavelength is 0.1 angstrom. 0.1 is 10 power minus 1. Angstrom is 10 power minus 10 meter. So wavelength is 10 power minus 11 meter. Okay. Next, what is the speed? Lambda equal to h by mv, or v equal to h by m lambda. H is Planck's constant, 6.625, 10 power minus 34. Mass is, this is for electron, therefore 9.1, 10 power minus 31. Lambda is 10 power minus 11, equal to 7.28, 10 power 7 meter per second. So this is velocity or speed. Kinetic energy of electrons, kinetic energy equal to half mv square, half 9.1 10 power minus 31, velocity square 7.28 10 power 7 square, 7.28 square, don't forget square, squaring this number. Simplify, we get 241 10 power minus 17, minus 31, 7 square is 14. So simplify, minus 17, or 2.41 into 10 to the power of, this is point is shifted, minus 15 joule. So this is kinetic energy.